What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about this possible shock drop that will be happening tonight on Travis Scott's website, man. I was waiting a little bit to do this video until I got a little bit more details, and now we kind of have a lot of things to piece together for this possible shock drop for tonight for these Air Max 270 Cactus Reacts, man. But if you're new to the channel, right now what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video. We are so close to that 30K, man. Help your boy out by subscribing, and please smash the like button to go for every video is 300 likes. You guys already know what we do. And if you don't mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box, man. So with all that being said, let's jump right into these details for this possible shock drop that could be happening tonight for the Travis Scott Cactus React 270s, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so I know you remember me going live talking about the possible shock drop when we seen the timer go down. There was a lot of people speculating that it will be a shock drop because it was his birthday and everything pretty much seemed good. But now we finally have the shoe on the Travis Scott website. I put a couple of pictures over here so you guys can check it out. And it has now coming soon. There's no timer. All it says is coming soon. You know, usually when we see that on his website, some merch is going to be dropping. But like I said, we have the 270s on the website. We got the toddler sizes, GS sizes, and the men's sizes. So it's like, bro, they gotta do the shock drop tonight. I definitely do not see them doing it the same day as the sneakers app draw. You guys do know we will be going live for that tomorrow as well. Give you guys a lot of details, a lot of tips and stuff like that during the live stream. So I'm here to help everybody out. I want everyone to have a fair shot at hitting on these 270 Travis Scotts, man. But speaking about that last live stream we did about the possible shock drop for these sneakers, we was giving you guys a lot of details, a lot of tips on what to use to get these shock drop pair of these Travis Scott 270s, man. And the first tip I got to give you guys is using Google Chrome. You guys do know that when you use the Google Chrome, you can do autofill with all your passwords, your card information, your shipping address, and all that good stuff. And it saves you a lot of time when you add it to your cart. You know, you usually got to type in every single number when you place an order, but with this autofill with Chrome, you can instantly click autofill everything and you'll be good to go and you can check out, man. That's what I would definitely be using tonight. I want everybody to be aware of a possible shock drop, man. I don't want anybody to be mad at me for not putting the information out. I got you guys. You know I'm here for the Vintage Gang, man. And if you have not joined the Vintage Gang yet, man, you got to join it by hitting that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss anything that drops on the channel. We try to give you guys a lot of information, a lot of different tips, a lot of different tricks on upcoming releases, and especially around these hype releases like these Travis Scott 270s, man. The resale market is looking pretty good on these. They have dropped a little bit, but still, you spending 170 retail for this 270 and you can resell it for around 700, 800 bucks right now. And we don't know, they might go up, they might go down, who knows, but still a huge profit and end goal. And one more tip I want to give you guys about these Travis Scott 270s is unlimited cook. I know a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, they don't like cook groups, but I feel like this cook group is very beneficial for a lot of people, especially if you're a reseller, especially if you're tired of taking L's. They help you out with every single thing. And that's where I'm pretty much getting all my information from, Unlimited Cook. We partnered up a couple of weeks ago. We got a couple members, but we want to get some more in the cook group so we can help out people that are tired of taking L's, who are trying to figure out what shoes to go after the resale and all that good stuff. They have sneaker release calendars and everything you need to be a part and have all the knowledge you need as far as reselling, as far as getting these W's and all that good stuff, man. So I will link them down below, and you can save you some money using DeVintage, and you save you $5 off your first month of subscription, man. They got some of the best monitors in the game, and they actually put me on the Flint 13 shock drop that was happening. It went straight to the website. You know, when J23 out, they sent people to the sneakers app, but with Unlimited Cook, they sent you to the website, man. So I will link them down below. They are very beneficial for you guys if you're tired of taking L's. If you want to get a little further in getting a W on something, definitely join Unlimited Cook. It is worth it, I promise you guys. So yeah, do not sleep tonight. Have that phone on, have Soul Links. Soul Links is super clutch for these type of releases like the Yeezys, these Air Max 270s. Soul Links will help you out. Go follow them on Twitter and have all notifications on. I know tonight I'm hearing my phone buzzing, and every single notification I get, I'm going to think it is this shock drop over the 270s, but it's still going to be worth it. Me, like I said, if I get them in hand and I'm liking them, I might keep them, I'm not sure. But as of now, the pictures I've seen, they kind of looking like I'm gonna just resell them if I do get them, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to be the person that just have them in a collection just to have it. I actually like enjoying my sneakers. So if I'm not feeling it, if I do hit, your boy's definitely gonna hit up GOAT and sell them sneakers, man. So down below right now, let me know if you will be going after these Air Max 270s. I know a a lot of people is very interested in this sneaker. I know it's a lot of Travis Scott fans. Even if you don't like the shoe, it's Travis Scott fans that still will go out and buy his merch just because it's Travis Scott. So let me know that down below in the comment section. Like the video right now for all these good details, all these good tips I gave you guys today. The goal for the videos is 300 likes. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, man. Join the Vintage gang so you never miss anything that drops as far as information on sneakers, fashion, and all that good stuff. If you don't mind, please head over to IG. Give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.